these ransomware groups have evolved. They operate more like businesses than anything else nowadays.
Yeah, I think that you touch on something there that I think that maybe people who don't live in this space like you and I do, there's this is highly organized crime. Do you think that that's something that the general public has a sense of, that this is not some sort of teenage chaos agent thing, but it's much more on the scale of, like international crime, and in the same way that drugs is?
I don't think it's reached that point yet of that understanding, but it's an interesting thing because yeah, you've got this idea where they're still kids just doing this on their own, but um, it's not. I mean, there was a ransomware group a few years ago. I think it was the Conti ransomware group, which sort of 3, 4 years ago was one of the biggest ransomware operators there was. And somehow a lot of their internal chat logs got leaked, uh, which ultimately brought the group down. I mean, the nature of ransomware means the people involved in it went and basically worked for other ransomware groups, took their cybercriminal CVs and went elsewhere. But it was literally chat logs about working in an office. They were going to an office to do ransomware. There was chats about someone got locked outside the office because they hadn't brought their sort of pass card and that sort of thing. So they are very much businesses, and even with help desks as well, for victims, they want you to pay the money. So if they attack an organization and the business doesn't know how to buy cryptocurrency, if that is indeed what they choose to do to pay the ransom, they'll have people there who can talk you through it.